Hello guys, welcome to this session on data types in Python. In this session, you'll be learning about what is a data type and what are the different data types that Python support. So, what is a data type? In our previous session, we learned about variable concept, right? And we learned about how we can create a variable and assign values to those variables, etc. If we relate data type concept to a variable, then you will understand well about data types in Python. By the name, it is the type of the data that is being assigned to a variable in a program. Depends on the data we assign or store in a variable, we call that particular variable is of that particular data type. In simple words, it's about the type of data that is being stored in a variable. Python support different types of data type. Those are mainly built-in data types and collection data types. The first one in built-in data type is number data type, which again classified as three different types. They are integer, float, complex numbers. And the other data type is string. When we call a variable is of string data type, when it is being stored with a sequence of alphanumerical or special characters you assign to a variable within a double or single quotes. The other data type is Boolean. If we assign the Boolean value such as true or false to a variable, we call that particular variable is a Boolean type variable. Here, true or false are the reserved words in Python. Similarly, the other one is none type. If we assign a variable with none keyword, we call that particular variable is of none type. Here, none is also a reserved word in Python. So these are the basic built-in data types that Python supports. And also Python support collection data types we also call as container data types. They are list, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. In Python, we can verify the type of a variable using type function. Within the type function, you can pass the variable name as an argument. It will return you the class type of that particular variable. So that's it guys. This is the introduction session on what is data type and various data types that Python support. We will be having a separate session for each and every data type with proper explanation using examples. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you have not subscribed to my video channel, please do subscribe, and also please do like, share and comments under comment section below. If you have any queries that need to be answered, I will respond back to you guys. Thank you again, and I'll see you in our next session, a detailed section on number data type in Python.